So there's a new upgrade on Instagram and everyone goes like, what is this new reel size? It's totally different and we need to really adapt to it. And I found a way how you can edit these reels very easy, and that's the steps. Open Canva on your device. You can use your tablet, computer or phone. Choose the Instagram reels. We don't have the size available yet, but we will resize it to the size that they are accepting now, which is this one, 5120 on 1080 pixels. When you resize that, it's only available unfortunately in Pro. However, that's the best investment right now for you. So resize this new reel and you will find this beautiful tiny skinny reel. Now you can use the templates that are available, or you just can play with things around. Now we will just try to write a text. It's something basic. I want to show you an example how you can animate text and these small reels to be pretty interesting. Write whatever you like, size it to appropriate size, and then add the animation. For this little tiny skinny reel, and let's call them skinny reels because that's really cute, I'm gonna choose the animation that shows like a little bit more of active, it's like interactive. I think this one is good. Now I'm gonna use another background, which is a video for a reel also, and I like the one here. Let me tell you, I love the one here, cinematic. It gives you kind of vibe when the video seems like it's moving. You know, when old times we had that advertisements on the TVs on the bottom of the news. So we are going to size this, and let's go on the middle and center the text so it appears very nicely. And obviously I have to fix that spelling. There you go. We're just gonna write, I am so glad you are watching my reels. Now when we have this completed, we can make anything we possibly like in there. Like I want to add something cute, maybe colorful, like change this. So initially this looked pretty nice. Let's add some smiley happy face. You have all the choice from pros or just normal available elements. You can add them and animate them like this way. You see how they nicely open one by one. So the Canva already knows how to help you out. So don't worry, you will figure this out very quickly. I think I like this for first 5 minutes. It only took me like 5 minutes to do this. Now we're gonna download this, but you can download in the highest quality if you don't have Pro. Now you open Instagram or Edits app and you can find your new video, new tiny reel in the gallery. You just post it as usual and use the hashtags new update, use the hashtags IG tiny reels or skinny reels, whatever they want to call it. Right? Sure, you hop on this as quick as possible because Instagram likes to push new features and they want to show others what you can make with their new features. Follow and learn how to scale your business using Instagram features.